what's up, Sami here. This is the latest laser engraver from Mr. Carve, the Mr. Carve M3. I remember I just reviewed the first generation, the M1, a few months ago, and now the M3. With M2, oh, 2 has a bad meaning in Chinese, which is stupid, like 你很二. You are very stupid. All jokes aside, let's get down to the Mr. Carve M3. Just for the record, this video is just going to be a very simple unboxing and first look for those tests, you know, about, check this out, about the box of all kinds of materials. Also, I have this xTool D1. That's a reputable brand. So for all those tests and the comparison, I will move to the next video. So please subscribe and turn on the notification bell if you haven't, because your support is the true motivation for me to put a continuous effort into my future videos. Let's get started. Alright, the first box, the main part. Ooh, we have the leather head. It should be the blue leather head. Okay, cable, the adapter. Ooh, it's lightweight. Very lightweight. This should be like plastic, right? Yeah, this is plastic but feels like metal. Okay, some cables, more stuff, Allen key, brush, some screws, one more frame. Okay, we have another one. Okay, all right, next, I don't know what's inside actually. More cables, a goggle. Oh, this is the stand, you know, in case you want to engrave something higher. And check what's inside this box. Okay, just go from this way. Oh, rotary roller. This is actually all plastic. I don't know if it's good. Anyway, and that's from this box. Let's move to this box. Oh, this is another laser head. It's the infrared leather head, which is more powerful, which enables you to cut different metal and plastic thing, those. Ooh, fancy. All right, the last box. Ooh, all those metal stuff, of course. Wood, yeah, wood, lots. Oh, they even have that, you know, to put under the laser engraver in case damage your desk or something. Rotary stuff. Okay. Yeah, forgot to introduce the air purifier, or you call air filter, you know, to pump out all those toxic air. Great, that's the air purifier. All right, so this is our workout from the box. Of course, if you want the different perks from their Kickstarter campaign, which you can find the link in the description, you will get different content. Anyway, let's assemble it. Then we connect and turn on. Okay. That's it. Seems so good, right? Open the cover, connect. That's it. And then connect the power. Okay. seems strong. Alright, that's the unboxing and first look of the Mr. Carve M3. 3 things I really like. First, easy to assemble. Second, abundant accessories. You got air filter, rotary roller, swappable laser heads, basically anything you can think of. And third is the price. If you back the project on Kickstarter now, all of these cost around $1,500 US. Yeah, that sounds not cheap, but for some laser engravers, the machine even costs more than that. So I think it's definitely worth the money. And compared to the M1, I think there are 2 major upgrades. First is the app. And the second, the M3 can engrave a much larger area. So that is really great. And compared to the xTool D1, I think the obvious downside for the Mr. Carve M3 is it's not all metal, where the D1 is all metal, so it feels really robust and premium. But yeah, the M3 is much lighter. And for disadvantages, one thing I can think of is on crowdfunding campaign. That means if you want to get this product, you have to wait at least 3 or 4 months to get it delivered, and that takes some time. But yeah, they're heavily successful M1, the first generation crowdfunding campaign, and they delivered everything. So this is a reputable brand. You can rest assured about that, right? So overall, I'm quite positive about the M3 unboxing, the first look. And if you want to learn something new about it, or what do you want me to test, please leave your comments in the comments section. I will test it heavily, use every tool, use every accessory, every material. So please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I'm Sami. See you in the next one. Bye bye.